All right, this is OverTrip. Let's go and register. It's also a SocialFi project. All right, put our email, then we'll click on register. All right, let's check our inbox. Make sure you check your spam inbox. That's where I saw mine. So if in case you didn't see it in the inbox, check your spam. That's where it is. So once you click, you set the password. So now my password is set. I can now log in. All right. Okay, login successful. It's also similar to other SocialFi products. Okay, let's try the missions. This is it here. You can see X is connected, so you can connect your Discord, follow on X, subscribe to newsletter, join Game Starter Discord, follow GX on Twitter. Just do everything and you will get the whole point. Then we still also need to engage on Twitter using the hashtag tribe or their username play over tribe. And to do this, you can follow me on Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp group, and so on, where we can interact together. Okay, let me refresh so that you see that the point will be added. Okay, the point might not reflect immediately, but be rest assured that the point will be added. Okay, let me follow on X. Follow. Okay. You can see that is completed. So that is just do all the points will reflect. I think it's having a little delay. It will definitely reflect for you. Yep. Right. See you next time.